Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, and we're going to be looking at a forest river. So keep watching through the video so you can see all the fancy features. And this one's got a slide, so stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me again, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at this absolutely beautiful Forest River RV. It's a signature fifth wheel, the R376RK, and it comes in at 36 foot 8 inches long with an exterior width of 8 feet. It's got two big awnings on one side, and it takes up the whole length of this RV. I really like the fact that this RV has the frameless windows. It looks super classy. The first cabinet we're going to have a look at here is for a propane tank, and there's another one near the back, and I'll show you that in a bit. On the left of this propane tank cabinet, there is a very large through storage compartment. You can open it and access it from the other side of this RV. And there's tons of space in here to store all your camping stuff. And you can have your spare chairs in here, your table, barbecue, whatever it is that you need to store on the outside where you don't have to take it inside. I'll have some Amazon links down below in the details page of some camping accessories and some other items that you might be interested in. So check it out after the video. You definitely can't have enough storage, and this is perfect. Now, the dry weight of this unit is 10,000 pounds with the GVRW of about 12,300 pounds. So the owners can definitely load up a lot in here. Now here's another compartment. It's pretty small, but it's nice and high, and you can put lots of odds and ends in here. Now this fifth wheel naturally has double axle. It comes with 16-inch Goodyear Endurance tires with the Road Tech tire pressure monitors, which are absolutely fantastic. I think the outside kitchen in this RV is an absolute bonus. I love to cook breakfast outside, so having a double burner on the outside to be able to cook, it's absolutely perfect. To the right of that is a fridge. It really is the best place to put all your beverages. You have them nice and handy on the outside. You can sit around the fire with good friends and good food, and it's a blast. Guys, if you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. Now as we move along, we'll get to see the back of this RV. Down you can see that there's a trailer hitch here, so it's perfect for hooking up those bicycle racks. As we move over to the right here, you can see a little compartment behind the ladder. That's to hook up your outside hose or shower. Interesting to know about the construction of this RV. It's got 6-sided construction, full aluminum frame, and it's got composite walls with a walkable roof. You'll get to see what this big slide encompasses once we get inside. We got your furnace location here. This is your area where you can hook up another hose. You've got your filtration system here. You've got all kinds of stuff. And this cabinet, you'll see that this RV is equipped with the automatic leveling system, which is absolutely fantastic. You can do it all on one side here. It does it for you automatically. And this is the through storage compartment that I showed you from the other side in the beginning of the video. As we move along to the front of the RV, you can see that there's another little cabinet here. Now this is where the other propane tank would be. So we've got two different propane tank locations. So it's kind of nice if one runs out, the other one's over here, and it's easily accessed right from the front. You can see that there's a second slide, and you'll be able to see what's encompassing this slide. So far so good. I really like the outside of this RV. Now let's go inside and see what it looks like. I'm just going to throw up a picture of the layout so you can have a look at the layout before we get inside. Okay folks, let's make our way inside. Look at this beautiful color. It's a nice light cream color. It feels really big in here. Really open concept type feel. Look at this kitchen. There's great amenities everywhere you turn here. You've got your entertainment center with a large 55-inch TV on top. Looking down, you can see all the windows, which I really like, and there's a fireplace right below. Excellent idea. And you've got lots of counter space. I really like the cabinetry here. It's got that nice cream color with the black handles. You've got your microwave set in. You've got your stovetop and oven and a full-size fridge on the right. Let's have a look at this range a little closer. From what I can see, this is a full one-piece cast iron top, which is actually fantastic for distributing that heat. So this is really nice. I really like the stove itself too. It looks like a full-size stove to me. Now I'm looking over to the right here, and we've got more countertop. We've got a residential style faucet and sink. And around the sink area, there's tons of counter space. Here you'd be able to put all kinds of kitchen appliances. And look at all the cupboard space, folks. You'd be able to store everything you need. Really nice. Looking at this refrigerator. Now this is awesome. This is a 12 volt, 18 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. We're definitely not lacking in space in this refrigerator. You'll be able to stuff it with all kinds of stuff. And I'm definitely really impressed with this fridge. Now looking above this refrigerator and to the right, you can see that there's more cupboard space. You can't have enough storage, so this is absolutely fantastic. And look how deep these cupboards are. This is a drawer here where you've got your garbage can and a cutting board, kind of hidden away, out of the way. You can pull it out, use it on your counter, and then clean it, put it back, and tuck it away. And you're done. What a great idea this is. I really like this. This is such a great gadget. Now let's move to the right of the kitchen and see what we have here in this big giant slide. This slide houses the dinette and the couch. This dinette breaks down and it turns into a double bed. I like the two drawers underneath the seats. It's a perfect place to put some bedding and you're ready to go for setup. This couch is fantastic. It's a power recliner and it's got cup holders and it's super comfortable. To the right of that couch, there's another window here on the left, and there's another couch with cabinetry up top. So again, more cupboard space, more storage space. It's absolutely awesome, guys. Again, you can never have too much storage. It just utilizes the space very, very well. Now we're gonna move up and we're gonna check out the bathroom. The first thing I see is the vanity and mirror, and I can see that there's a really big, nice shower. It's just a step-in version, really easy toilet on the left, and cupboards. And this gigantic shower. It's got a fantastic skylight. It lets in lots of natural light. Here's the vanity. It's got kind of a medicine cabinet mirror thing going on. The vanity looks great. It's got a little bit of counter space. It's not huge, but there's cupboards underneath, which you can store your bathroom items in. So I think this bathroom is set up really well. It's just not a ton of space, but it does work and it has everything you need. Now let's move up to the bedroom. Now this is where the second slide is housed. It's a slide for the full-size walk-around queen bed. In the master bedroom, there's a second ducted-in air conditioner. It's got LED lights throughout, and it's got this massive closet. I really like the fact that it's got a closet in here. You've got lots of storage, and there's another closet to the right here. You can do some hanging of clothes, or you can use the shelving. It's also piped in and ready to go for a washer and dryer. And typically with a small space like this, it's suitable for a small washer-dryer combo. The entertainment center is on the other end with a television. Below the television is a 3-drawer wardrobe. I love the fact there's a window on each side of the wardrobe. It's really nice to be able to let that natural light come in. All in all, I think this is a fantastic RV. Forest River has done an amazing job keeping the open concept living, utilizing all the space with beautiful finishes and left out the guesswork. I give this RV 2 thumbs up. Thank you again for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you enjoy watching toy hauler videos, have a look at this video right here. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. So we have lots more coming. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.